Jai Hind dosto, welcome back once again this video. I am CA V.R.S. and I will share some knowledge on FP&A. Today we will discuss about the key drivers of revenue. So first is sales and marketing. We should have effective strategy for sales and marketing in order to understand the target market, in order to promoting the products or services, as well as we should try to make efforts on closing the sales deals. Next driver is customer satisfaction. It's very important aspect. Customer satisfaction, as satisfies customers are more likely to make repeat purchases and recommend the organization so that's also. So for this purpose we have to provide the excellent customer services, address customer needs and concerns, which leads to increase revenue. Third one is product or service innovation. As an organization we should continuously try to improve our product or continuously save competitors. Next one is pricing strategy. There should be a better price for the better product. Okay, so it means that setting the right price for the right product. A well defined pricing strategy should consider the market demand, competitors, as well as the value propositions. All right, for moving on next driver, this is operational efficiency. Operational efficiency means that there should be an efficient process, supply chain management and cost control measure in order to achieve operational efficiency. This will increase the profitability as well as revenue. Okay, so next one is partnership alliance. As today's environment is such hostile, so we should more focus on collaborating with the strategic partners, or for forming alliance can expand reach, access to new market, and generate additional revenue also. So next one is customers retention. Today's strategy is more about that retaining existing customer is more cost effective than acquiring new. So in order to achieve this, implement strategy in order to churn can lead to high revenue and long-term sustainability also. Okay, so move on to next is market expansion. In order to gain some more revenue, we have to expand the market, beyond the geographical area, uh, search for the new segments, or reach to a new type of customers. As well as moving on next driver, this is cross selling and upselling at a premium prices. This will what results into this can increase the average transaction value. Okay, move on to next driver, that is data driven decision making. This is what we show, which optimize the pricing, target market efforts. Okay, so all these drivers vary from industry to industry, or market situations, circumstances, or organization specific goals and strategies. Thank you. Bye bye.